Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I think these are one of the greatest inventions of all time.
Meet flat socks. These are so incredible. They come in two different sizes, and you are able to customize the fit to your specific shoe size, whether you use the back to cut down to the size they have, or using a liner from inside your shoe to get the exact right fit. These things are so perfect. They have odor control, they're no slip, they're no show, so they are the easiest thing. I love that I can put these in different pairs of shoes, especially shoes like these mules tend to get really stinky, and my work shoes. But now I have these flat socks that are also machine washable. The moisture wicking, cushy foam, slim profile is just absolutely heavenly.
If you're anything like me and you love wearing your shoes without socks, you are going to love these flat socks. They are going to save your feet and your shoes, and everyone around you is going to thank you for wearing them too. And that's my point of view.